Welcome guys to this video. Here I will be talking about how you can block YouTube channels. So I will be talking about two different things. So first of all, how to block channels and not be able to see their videos. So when you search for the specific channel name or their video, they will not appear in the search. And second way is how to block them by not allowing them to comment on your videos. So let's start by talking about how to block a channel in order to prevent them from appearing in the search and also in the home screen when you can see all of the different videos suggested to you. So first of all, you have to be signed in. So here you can see that I am signed in as well, and you have to do the same. If you do not have a YouTube account, then you'll have to create one because this will be limited to that specific account. There can be different uses for this. So either there are some videos that or channels that you do not want to see yourself, or alternatively, for example, you might have children and you want to avoid them seeing specific channels or specific videos and so on. So you would have to create, in such case, a different YouTube channel and then sign in when you give your phone or computer to the children to use. So sign in with the specific channel where you have blocked the channels that you do not want your children to see. So in order to block a channel or a specific video, this will work both on the phone and the computer as well. You would find the video. For example, I do not want to see this video. You would find the three dots, press those, and then you have two options. So first of all, not interested. This means that you are not interested in this specific video, and this will let YouTube know that you do not want to see this type of content. And then second is don't recommend channel. This will block this channel. So for example, you press that and you will not find these videos. When you make these changes, it can take some time to apply, so it might not be the same second. The other way, encourage YouTube to know what kind of videos you want. Then obviously subscribing to those channels will prompt and allow YouTube to know that these videos you are interested in, and then they will appear more frequently on the home screen as well. So this is the first way how to block channels both in search and also in your home feed. The second thing that I wanted to talk about is how to block channels and not allow them to comment on your videos. So you would have to go to the channel that you do not want to allow commenting on your videos. So for example, I go to this Yonko Luffy land and go to about section. I think I just before recording this video I have blocked them, but basically you go to about section, report user, and this will say block. So if let me refresh this page, if I press here and then block user, blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos you have uploaded. Submit, and if I refresh the page, you will be able to see that this user has been blocked, and I can unblock user here. Alternatively, for unblocking users you have blocked and not allowing them to comment on your videos, you can also see in your studio. So here I am at my studio. You would go to settings and then go to community, and you can see hidden users. So you don't have to go individually into each profile, but you will be able to see all of the users that you have blocked. So you would press remove if you want to remove, or you can also type the URL or username in order to add additional users as well. So I hope that this tutorial has been useful. You will be able to customize which videos you want to see suggested, and also choose if you want to block certain type of people. For example, they putting many links and spamming your videos and so on. So there can be many reasons for blocking and on the comment section. So I hope that this tutorial has been useful. If you want to see other tutorials for tech, please check out my channel, subscribe to the channel, and please like the video as well. This will help me tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and see you guys in the next video.